In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can download and install Unity. So actually, Unity is separated into two softwares. You have the actual Unity software, which allows you to make games, and you have Unity Hub, which allows you to install and manage all of your versions that you might have installed in your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Brave. This is the browser I use. You can use whatever you want, such as Chrome or Firefox. It's going to open up Google. And if I search Unity download, if I search for this, the first option takes me to the Unity website, which I'm going to click. And at the moment, Unity Hub has two versions. We're going to go with with Hub v3, which is the newest version, which is still in beta format. So if I click that for Windows, since I'm using a Windows computer, I'm going to download it to my desktop and just save. It's going to download for a little bit. And once it's downloaded, I can go ahead and open it up by clicking this. Right now, it's asking me for my permission to install this software. I'm going to say yes. And okay, so after you've read through all of this, you can go ahead and click I agree. I'm just going to leave the default destination folder and click install. Okay. Once the installation is done, it's going to ask you if you want to run Unity Hub, which I'm going to say yes, I do, and click finish. I'm going to allow access. And once that is done, you can see that Unity Hub is opening up. Okay. So here we go. As you can see, this is the new hub. There used to be a previous version. Right now, this is still very in early access. So if there are some bugs, don't worry too much about it. Okay, so I'm going to say got it here. And as you can see, these are all the projects that I have in my machine at the moment. You most likely won't have anything in here. So what we really care about is going to this installs tab here on the left. If I click that, you can see that I have all of these versions of Unity installed. Once again, you most likely won't have anything in here. If I go to my official releases and I click install editor, this is going to give me some recommendations on what I should install. So the ones that have LTX next to them means that they're going to have long-term support. Any others are not guaranteed that any bug fixes will be provided for those. So I'm going to select the 2020.3.25 F1 version, which is a recommended version, but you should be fine to go with any version that is closer to 2020, 2021, or 2022. Okay, just going to click install. And if you don't have Visual Studio installed in your machine, which you most likely won't have, I would recommend leaving this area here selected. I already have it installed, so it's not saying anything for me. With that selected, you can go ahead and click install. And then Unity is going to slowly install the version that you have selected. Okay, once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and quit this window. And then if you go into your projects, you will be able to create a new project by clicking this button on the top right. Now, Unity provides a lot of templates that you can open up and look around and play around yourself. In this case, we're just going to not use learning templates. And I'm just going to go to all templates here on the top left, going to select 3D and going to name it my first project. And I'm going to click on the bottom right here to create my new project. And there we go. Your new Unity project is now open up. It might not exactly look like this layout, but you're now ready to start developing your own games.